Alright guys, hey, sorry it's taking me so long to get this video finished up, but here we go. Yep, now for the fun part, lowering the fuel tank to install the nozzle. Fuel supply source for the heater. I decided to not disconnect the tank and drop it all the way to the ground. Worked out okay, but next time I might try to disconnect it for easier access. Okay, so after the pilot hole, do yourself a favor and get a step drill bit and go to town. 16 millimeter size hole, approximately just over a ½ inch. I'm gonna go up to 9/16, see if that works. It's tough because you gotta get the nut in there, and then you gotta get this special oval washer in there too. So see how it goes. Okay, getting there. Got the sandwich all lined up in there. Unfortunately, I test fit it and couldn't get it back out, and the shavings are still in there, but I think it'll be okay. I placed a magnet on the bottom of the tank, but if they were to go in the lines, the fuel filters would stop it. So yeah, getting there. Okay, I got the line hooked up here, hose clamp. Looking pretty good. I'm gonna make sure I keep the tank down for a little while still. As soon as I get the fuel pump installed and the line hole drilled through to the cabin, it'd be good to lift the tank up. But yeah, in case you're wondering, I am doing this all with one hand. Okay, I got the tank back up in there. Not too bad. And my line is just running off here for now until I get it plumbed up here. I'm going to place my fuel pump right in this area, and then run the line up into the cabin through the fill port area. Up there you can see I drilled a hole and have a grommet ready to go. And yeah, like I said, I'm going to run it up through the diesel fill port area, which is this little hump shaped thing. So got my grommet there, fuel line will run through there, and my heater will be placed right here in this general area behind my fridge next to my couch. Okay, I got the fuel pump mounted. Okay, I got that fuel line routed, just attached there to the fill port, and over here with the hose clamp to the pump. Alright, all plumbed up, straight up into the cabin. Okay, wired in the actual wire controlling the pump. Got that up there to a grommet also, same area. They send you plenty of wire, so I just snipped it and put my own connectors on, make it the right size. So this is what I've got up here right now. Measure 5 times, cut once. Yeah, cutting the hole in the side of the van here. Always kind of a scary thing to do, but it turned out okay. Alright, doing some sheet metal work here to get the bracket lined up with the bottom of the heater. Decided to go with this aluminum shell as sort of a box to dissipate the heat, protect from the heat, and also maybe cut down some of the sound. Not sure. Anyway, working on that right now. The general idea here.
Is Billy home?
Alright, so this will be the view from the back. Exhaust and intake and all that, just down and out. And a bottom view. Don't forget your crush washers when you stack them. That way you won't have to worry about them coming loose or shaking down the road. Alright, about to do a test run here in situ, roughly hooked up. Yeah, let's see how she goes. And so I've got a temporary ducting in and a carbon monoxide detector. Just gonna let this run for a while and see if any carbon monoxide is detected and see how cozy it gets in here. This run I'm doing right now, I just have it set on max power instead of the thermostat. And 0 parts per million carbon monoxide. That's good. Okay, and this is just some more install pictures here before I got it totally hooked up. And you can see I ducted it behind the bed there, underneath, and a 2x4 to protect things from hitting the ducting, and a clean exit point there. And this is after 30 minutes of runtime. Lots of factors to consider to keep your heat in, but should work out in the long run. Okay, there you go, the Planar 2D-12 installation in a Ford E350. Good luck with yours.